Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Jobs in India. In this video we are going to see Wipro started their hiring for BCA MCA student from 2022 passed out student. So watch the video till end. I am going to explain everything. So before going to that, visit our description. I provide the link that how to create a SUPERSET account. I am explained everything there. Without SUPERSET account you cannot apply here. This is only for UG candidate for BSc, BCA, MCA, statistics. Any department can apply here. They are mentioning about the salary, everything they provided here. Without SUPERSET account, you cannot create you cannot apply a Wipro company. Sorry guys, you cannot apply. So first create a SUPERSET account and provide everything there. You just see the description, you may get a clear idea. So this is what the BSc, BCA student. The qualification will be BCA. And the salary will be first year they are providing 15,000, second year 17, 19, day by day increasing, starting joining bonus 75,000, and 10th, 12th graduation 60%, year of passing 2021 and 2022. BCA, BSc eligible, they are mentioned computer science, information technology, mathematics, stat, electronic and physics. Other criteria they have provided here that no active backlogs. Here maximum gap should not be there and while studying. Test process who are completed 3 months of cool off period, previous assessment only they can apply it. And this is everything they mentioned here: verbal, unrated, quantitative, written test. And on joint boarding, candidate required agreement for 6 months, and workplace from learning programming with good knowledge. And every candidate must go through online assessment below detail upon on your performance. So fourth year you may get a 25,000. This is what they mentioned. Admission MTech degree will be previously condition defining UG candidate. So if you have done any MTech, it will be helpful for you. So you can apply with the UG also. So this is what they mentioning about Wipro BSc students. So apply as much quickly. If you have any doubt, comment me in the comment section how to create a SUPERSET account. Like any comment, if you comment, I will surely reply to your comment. So visit the description. You may get a clear idea about how to create a SUPERSET account. Without SUPERSET account, you cannot apply at Wipro, Cognizant, Capgemini. So many companies are hiring with the SUPERSET account only. They have the rights to conduct the exam for this. So direct apply in the website is not an issue. If while going for freshers, you should go to SUPERSET account only. I have provided the link in the description. Once again, I am saying. So watch the video fully, then you create account. It will be helpful for you. Thanks for watching.